Hello and welcome to Optus Tutorials. In today's video, I'll show you how to scrap Google Maps data and import them into Listing Pro theme. As you can see, I already installed Listing Pro, and these are my existing listings here. So I will show you in this video how you can scrap data from each of these listing by automatically clicking them and get all this data and import them into Listing Pro as business listings. So first of all, you should download the plugin. The download link is in the description. So the plugin is for $120, but with discount it's $50 for now. You can go to importwoocommerce.com. This is the website importwoocommerce.com, and from the menu you can select this Google Maps to Listing Pro, or if you have my listing theme, then this website also have this my listing plugin as well. So if you click on import listing from Google Maps to Listing Pro, go to that product, and when you buy that and download the plugin on in your downloads folder and then install it, then this is how it will look like. Click on Google Maps importer menu, and here you cannot see the scrapper yet because it also required a Google Chrome extension which is already packed into this plugin. So click on download Google Chrome extension and save it in your downloads folder. Okay, once it's saved, open the directory where you added and just extract it. Okay, once it's extracted, you can see these files. Okay, then leave them and go to your Google Chrome browser again, and remember that this plugin will only work on Google Chrome browser because it requires that Google Chrome extension. Okay, once it's downloaded and extracted, just click on this extensions and click on manage extensions. Here you should turn on this developer mode. When it's turned off, you cannot see any download buttons. Just open it into developer mode and click on load unpack. Now open the folder where you downloaded it, open the scrapper folder, the extension folder, and you will see these files. Do not select any of these files, just this folder, and click select, and we have Google Maps Scrapper 4.0. Okay, once this extension is loaded, come back to your WordPress page, Google Maps Scrapper, and now when you refresh, you will see extra two fields here, these. Okay, so the scrapper extension is now connected to your website. Now open Google Maps and search for anything you want to add. So let me search for halal food in San Francisco. Just click on search and do not click anywhere, just copy this URL and open the website and paste it in this field and select the category you want to add it in your website. So in my website I have restaurant category because these are foods, and San Francisco, there are San Francisco records, so I will choose San Francisco from my website. So these two are from my website, and this is the number of scroll. When you open a search and you scroll down, it loads more and more and more. So this is the times, how many times you want to scroll the page, 10 times or 1 time or 2 times. Let me add it 2 times. So when you click on start scrap, it will open it in a new tab. Just leave the mouse and keyboard, do not touch anything, and it will start scrolling 1 and 2. Now it will start clicking automatically. You do not have to touch anything. It will click on the menu first and then overview and then the about menu for each of these listing, and it will get all this data. For example, the hours, the working hours, phone number, address, and from the about, it will take all the amenities or everything it includes. You see accessibility, amenities. Okay, next restaurant, do not touch anything, restore, and if we go to the previous tab, we can see all of them are listed one by one. Okay, now while the scrapping is in progress, let me close it because it is just for showing you. If you close it, this will be stopped in the middle. So you just have to keep it active. Do not click on any tab. Keep this tab active if you want to add all these listings without any errors. But if we close this in the middle, it will stop there and no more listings will be coming here. So the green means the listing has been imported, a yellow means it is in progress, and white means it is still not processed. So let me check Bristow. So go there, refresh the listing, and we have all features added. We have Bristow. Let's view it. And see if everything is coming. Okay, we have the hours. Show all timing. All hours are from the listing itself. We have description. We have amenities. All amenities added. All services. We have title. We have the category, and we have the map. We have address. We have phone number. The website, and pretty much everything the listing pro needs. And if we go to the search for food in San Francisco, then you will see that the images are also added. Let's search and look for Bristow. Next page, and everything you can see, all the markers are in accurate places. Okay, here's Bristow and the image is there. So if we click here or get direction, everything, the longitude, latitude of the address are also added. If we click on this, it will direct us to the single page which I just showed you. So this is how easily you can scrap data from Google Maps and add them into Listing Pro theme. And we also have another plugin for My Listing theme as well, which is also listed on the home page or the scrapper from here, Google Maps to My Listing. So that's all for today's video. I hope you learned something. So please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you.